Hello Bon Bakers and welcome back to my channel. You're with Nicole and today we're going to be making a really beautiful morning muesli. This recipe is nice and light, it's healthy, it's absolutely delicious, it's the best way to start your day. So let's get to it. So I've got a whole lot of bowls going on over here. Let me show you what's in them. Here we have some beautiful oats, some sunflower seeds and pepitas or pumpkin seeds, some slithered almonds, some walnuts. I've got chia seeds, some chopped apricots, sultanas, cranberries, coconut and a little bit of cinnamon. This recipe uses all natural ingredients. There's no extra nasties in it. It's just super tasty. And the best part is you can mix it up. So if you don't like cranberries, add a different fruit, add whatever seeds you like. It's totally up to you. And this is also great to make ahead of time. So you can store it in jars or individually portion each day of the week so that you've got something delicious to start your day. The first thing we're going to do is add a few of the ingredients here into a bowl and just give it a little coat in the cinnamon. Then we're going to bake it for about 5 to 7 minutes just so it gets nice and toasted and golden brown. So let's go ahead and do that now. We're going to go with the oats, the seeds, the nuts, the coconut and the cinnamon all in the bowl. I've got my bowl ready to go and the only things I've left out are my dried fruit and my chia seeds. And now it's time to start mixing in that beautiful cinnamon all over the nuts and seeds. Onto the baking tray we go, and we're just going to try and evenly spread it all over the tray. We're not going to add any butter or oil or anything like that. It's just gonna go in the oven all natural. We're just gonna keep that beautiful natural goodness with this recipe. I'm just gonna spread it out a little bit more with clean hands before we put it into the oven because I want it all to get nice and golden brown. Looks the goods. Into the oven we go, and I've got my oven set at a moderate temperature, so 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The smell coming from the kitchen is amazing. You put cinnamon on anything and I swear it smells so good. Wow, look how beautiful this looks. It has toasted really nicely. I'm so happy with this. It's gonna be so delicious. And you may be wondering what are the health benefits to eating muesli. It's actually really, really good for you and a great breakfast choice. It's unprocessed, it's got natural ingredients, all plant-based, and we haven't added any additional things like butter or sugar, and packed full of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. I have taken my muesli out of the oven after 7 minutes, and I think that was probably perfect for the oven that I'm working with because half of my muesli is really nicely toasted, it's golden, it's crunchy and crispy, and the other half is still a little bit soft and a little bit less baked. So we've got the nice combination of the two textures. I've just been letting my muesli cool for about 10 minutes, and now I'm going to add it into the bowl again with all of the fruit. So then we're done. It's literally that quick and easy to have a beautiful, healthy breakfast every day. I'm gonna try and scoop up my muesli so it's a little bit easier to pour into my bowl. In goes our fruit. And last but not least, very important, our chia seeds. Time for one last stir, and then I want to show you how beautiful this looks. And you can have this with yogurt or pair it with your favorite plant milk, add some fruit to it, and you'll be good to go every morning. I have just prepped my breakfast and it looks so delicious, so tasty and so healthy. I can't wait to eat it. I really do love this recipe and I know that you will too. If you do make it, I want to see your photos. Let me know what you think. Let me know how it tastes. I want to hear all about it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Bond Baker, for all tips, tricks and recipes for the home baker. And hit that bell because I've got new videos coming every week. I hope you have a great day. Now muesli, go again. I hope you have a great day.
Yeah.
It's got the oats, which are also known to be good for your heart, and it's unrefined. Sorry, go again.